Statisticians say January is the least favorite of the year. It's cold, holiday bills are due, resolutions are falling short, and the IRS opens its tax filing season. But it's our favorite time because that's when we get to see our friend Thomas Spade, certified public accountant and instructor at CFC's School of Business. It's good to have you back.
It is so wonderful to be back. It actually feels like it's been forever since I've been here.
I know, it's true. Well, and it's hard to believe that tax filing season is upon us once again.
Yesterday was the official start of 2022 returns. So you can start e-filing immediately if you have everything ready to go. And in fact, if you make less than $73,000, you can actually file for free by going to irs.gov/freefile, and it will link you with one of their partners that will allow you to file your return for free. They might charge you for things like electronic filing and or direct deposit, but if you have a very simple return, that might be your best bet.
Is this something new?
No, this is the type,
okay.
This has been in place for years.
Okay.
They've pushed it, but the the threshold for income has generally been much lower. Now they've started raising it up a little bit more so that now it's actually at a level where a lot more people are going to benefit.
Yeah,
but this isn't generally for the people that are self-employed. This is mainly for people that just have a W-2, maybe a mortgage interest statement. That's it.
Okay, so for pretty simple tax returns.
Yes.
All right, what's new this year?
There's not a whole lot that's actually new this year. In fact, the Secure Act 2.0, which passed back in December, I've read through it so you don't have to. There's a lot of provisions that are going to be coming online over the next couple of years, and they mostly have to do with retirement plans. One thing that's new right away is that if you turn 72 after December 31st of 22, so this past New Year's, then you don't have to start taking distributions out of your retirement plan until you're 73. Starting in a couple of years, they've added a couple of exceptions to the penalty for early withdrawals. Starting next year, they have this new thing that's set up, which is going to be savings accounts that go with your retirement plans. All of this is coming soon to a tax filing near you. Now, some things, though, that are going to be new this year. We did talk recently about the hybrid vehicle tax credits.
Oh,
They're
yes.
coming up. Those are going to be new for everybody this year. That's really the biggest thing I think that's new for this year.
That wasn't the only green energy
Oh,
thing,
yeah.
appliance, if you will.
Right.
There were other things. If
There's
you
many,
installed windows, if you
yeah.
installed a new AC unit, all those.
Yeah, they took away
things.
the roofs, but yeah, but not many people were doing that anyway. Either way, this year, not a whole lot that's new. On the state side, from what I hear, the state is not going to renew that thing with your gas receipts, so you don't have to really save those anymore for tax purposes. Always a good idea to save them, though, just in case you get the wrong kind of gas.
So you're not going to get any kind of cash back for that?
No.
Why not?
Well, because when they wrote that bill, they said it was going to expire at the end of 2022.
They did, didn't they?
Yes, they did. And
Wow.
then it was going to be up to the legislature whether or not they want to renew it. And from everything I'm hearing, there's nobody on the legislature that's willing to die on the hill of renewing this tax credit for everybody.
I have saved every single receipt, I will tell you. All right, finally, real quick, if you can't get the IRS on the phone, you're not alone.
You are so not alone. According to some recent statistics, the IRS is only answering 15% of phone calls.
Wow.
You can't even get them by mail in most cases and get a timely response.
So if you need to correspond with them, what's the best way to do it?
Hope for the best, really,
Wow. Okay.
because they're so overloaded with stuff. They're still processing paper returns that were filed for tax year 2020.
Sounds like with the new Congress as well that they are going to repeal those thousands of IRS employees that they were going to put in place to come after you and get your money.
Interestingly enough, a lot of that money was slated to go towards upgrading their computer systems, which in fact, they're using the same computers that we used to land man on the moon in 1969. I am not kidding.
And I'm not surprised. I want to thank you so much, Thomas, for joining us.
Not a problem.
We'll see you soon. We're back in 2 minutes.